gentlemen, please, will you tell me what you found out about Firefly?
Well, you remember you gave us a picture of this man and said follow him?
Oh, yes.
Well, we get on the job right away. And in the 1 hour, even in less than 1 hour...
Yes?
We lose the pics. That's a pretty quick work, eh?
But I asked you to dig up something I can use against Firefly. Did you bring me his record? No!
And the boy gets a cigar.
Now, Ciccolini, I want a full, detailed report of your investigation.
All right, I tell you. Monday, we watch the Firefly's house, but he no come out. He wasn't home. Tuesday, we go to the ball game, but he fool us. He no show up. Wednesday, he go to the ball game, and we fool him. We no show up. Thursday was a doubleheader. Nobody show up. Friday, it rained all day. There was no ball game. So we stayed home. We listened to her over the radio.
Then you didn't shadow Firefly.
Oh, sure, we shadow Fire. We shadow him all day.
But what day was that?
Saturday. That's some joke.